I just revised the previous class.
Yeah. So you sent this Dropbox.
Yes, sir. I have sent to your mail. You got it?
Yeah, you can just now about that.
Yeah, I will in, place it all in the Dropbox only every day.
So still open from the last time.
Uh huh.
And I click on view Dropbox.
Okay.
View folder. It's still open. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I'm able to see it.
Good. In this class, the first class, we have discussed the commands
So,
and
suppose if I want to open this that I need to install this
you have already in your system SAP.
no, what I am asking is we sent that required information form.
Correct, correct. That is only just you can open with the VLC player or any player, sir.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it is a MP4 file. It is just like a video file. You can open anywhere.
So, I'm trying to load this SAP.
Mm.
So, what should I ask this developer key?
If you have here, you can take server access, sir, for 1 or 2 months. Just ask the VAS if we can provide you server access. It's good. Okay.
No, so I want to install it in my laptop. I have
Laptop.
the
Oh,
laptop.
good. Where are you located?
So, here I got
Huh? Yeah.
it.
Hyderabad only.
Yeah.
So no problem, sir. You can, if you have the hard disk, if you are able to come to Dilsukh Nagar, I will help you out. Or if you are so much busy, you can send via courier also, hard disk. External hard disk, if you are able to send, no, they will install.
So, in Amirpeta, is it possible?
Amitpet also, there are some people who can install.
Okay. Should I ask with developer?
Yeah, they can install in your external hard drive.
Okay.
Okay, so just ask them, sir. Okay, if there is any possibility, around they will take around 500 to 600 minimum.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Now today we go with the packet decimal and some more programs. User. We are going to write some more programs in the ABAP editor. Every day do the practice, sir. Then you will get more acquaintance with the subject.
Weekend,
Yes, sir. You just take more time.
weekend, website, color,
Yes, sir.
I will take it. Okay.
SC38, Z HEM packet decimal. I want to write one program. Packet decimal. In this we are giving the decimal points in this program. Save as local object. I want to give data, numerator, type P, decimals. I have to give compulsorily the keyword. I want to give 2 decimals for the number, and the value of the number is plus 5.55. You can give plus or minus. Value is a keyword here for giving the default value, and DEN type P, decimals to value plus 1.55. I want to get the result now. Type P, decimals 2. The result is also displayed in 2 decimal points. The result is calculated as numerator divided by denominator, NUM divided by DEN, and write the result. Again, I want to get the result DIV DEN. DIV is going to give here the quotient value, and we have reminder also. You can get with the mod. This is going to give the reminder. This is going to be giving the exact division. 3 different values, exact division. Let us see the result now. Save, check, activate, and execute. This is the result. Actual result is 3.58. When I give quotient, it will not give any number here after decimals. It gives zeros. This is the reminder. So this is the result for the pack. I can give maximum of 14 decimals here. The result can be given up to 14 decimals for a pack. If I give 15, it will give syntax error. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let us give 15 and see. Maximum allowed will be 14 only, always. Decimals is to be compulsorily given for pack. Maximum allowed is 14. So you can give up to 14 decimals. Now I want the same program to be given in float. This is the same program. I want to give now the program in the float. float now. Float is going to show exponential result. Now this is a program for the float. Instead of getting the result in pack, I am saying float. Float does not require decimals keyword. Automatically it will show in a floating point decimal. 16 decimals will be displayed here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After that E plus it will show exponential form. The pack you are specifying the decimal points, but float don't require it. Float is not to be given for input. Note, float is not given as input to any program. Result only you will get in float. Now the structured data objects. I want to relate the objects now with the structured data objects. Objects in relationship are known as structured data objects. Customer is a structure. I want to display customer number, customer name, city, pin code. I want to relate all this with a customer as a family name. The syntax for defining this is data begin of structured data object name, structured data object name, give a comma, and you are giving the fields information, again comma, end of structured data object name. So let us see how to define this in a program way. Structured data objects. I want to relate the objects with a name of the structure. This is for the programs. Structure data object. Executable program. This is a program for structured data object. Now I define the program. Data begin of is a keyword I have to use. str1 is the name of the structure. Any name you can give for the structure. Structure is containing the field information now. Number of 4, type numeric, name of 30 characters, city of 30 characters, end of str1. This is my structure containing number, name and city. One more structure I want to define, VEND like str1. I want to define this similar to the above structure. Vend is also having number, name and city. I want employee structure now, like Vend. That means employee is also having number, name and city. I am defining 3 structures like this and defining some values. Dash number equals to 1000. I want to define the value for the first structure with the number, name now, Raj, str1 dash city, I am giving Hyderabad. Now write statement to display all these values. str1 dash name, str1 dash city. I want to give u line now. Second structure now, vendor dash number equals to 2000, vendor dash name equals to Hari, vendor dash city equals to Chennai. Now write the second one, vendor dash number, vendor dash name, vendor dash city. Again new line. One more structure, employee dash number. Third structure is I am defining these values, employee dash name, say Lata, employee dash city, say Delhi. Right here, employee dash number, employee dash name, employee dash city, u line. Like this you are defining the values. Save it, check it, activate it and execute it. See, three different values, three structures with three different values are given like this. It is of 30 characters, that's why it is giving this much space. I want to reduce this space now. I just give the column numbers here. You can say 5th column, and this is at the 10th column, this is at the 15th column.
So initially it's default.
Initially it takes here default 4 characters, 30 characters spacing.
Yes.
You are given this much now, that's why it is giving that much space. See, now it has reduced. The space is reduced only because you are given the specific column numbers. Like this you can give for this also, 5, 10, 15 like that. 5, 10, 15. For this also, 5, 10, 15. Save. The space is reduced between the columns. If you reduce still more, it will be overlapped, sir. So just take care. Now I want to call this in different programs. We have a called type pools. Type pools contains structured data objects called from different programs. So step 1 is we are defining the type pools in a separate place. Define the type pools. Go to T code. We are going to a new T code SC11 data dictionary. In this we are defining the type pool. Type pool is a structure which is defined in the type pool so that it can be called from any program. That is the advantage. If I write it here only, it is available to this program but not to other programs. This structure str1 is available to other programs. I have to return in the type pool now, SC11. This is the data dictionary. Select the option type group. Select option type group. Give the name of the type pool ZHEM. It's a 5-letter word, so just give small type pool names. This is the name of the type pool, create. Click on create. Save as local object. So my type fields you say short text. So save now as local object. This is a new placer called data dictionary. Local objects. Now here we are defining the structures. The structures here has a different format. I have to use types as a keyword here. Data is not used here. Types is a keyword I have to use. Begin of ZHEM is an AOD type full followed by str1. I have to give like this. This is an AOD type full underscore is compulsory. Then any structure name I have to give. Types only I have to type, not with data. Number of 4, type numeric. Name of 30 characters. City of 30. Types is going for user defined structure, which can be called from other programs. End of ZHEM underscore str1. This is my first structure. You can use constants also in the type full. Types begin of ZHEM underscore CUST now. This is the second structure I want to define. C number, type numeric, C name of 30 characters. End of ZHEM underscore CUST. Again types, third structure now.
So we are calling two different programs.
Yes, two different programs are. This is the first program. This program is called again in the executable. The first program is written in the data dictionary, second program is written in the ABAP editor. So two different programs are connected with the type fields. We are defining in one place and calling in another place. So type numeric, vname of 30 characters. End of ZHEM underscore when. You can use constants also. I want to define ZHEM underscore A, which is of type integer, value 20. This is a constant I want to use. You can use either types keyword or constants in this. Data is not allowed here. Compulsorily I have to use types. So after this, save, check, activate this program. We are not writing the result here. Step number 2. Go to ABAP editor now to call this type full. So I am going to the ABAP editor now. It it is activated now. Go to the ABAP editor /n sc38, and now this is a calling program typ type pools. Create. This is a program I am creating now. Program name, create, title, calling program for type pools, local object. So this is a calling program now. Calling program for type pools. And the type of program is executable now. And save as local object. First statement here, I have to call the type pool, sir. We have defined the type pool somewhere, so that I have to call here. The name of the type pool, ZHEM. This is the first statement in this program. We have to call the type pool which is defined in the data dictionary. Then we are calling the structure now. I want to refer the first structure now with employee which is of type ZHEM underscore str1. Second structure CUST which is referring the second structure. Third structure which is referencing the HEM VEND. I have referred the three structures like this. Now employee will have the fields what you have mentioned in the earlier structure. Employee number equals to 1000. Employee name now. This is the second one, Ravi. Employee dash city, say Hyderabad. Now U line. Second structure now CUST dash number again equals to 2000. CUST dash name equals to say Hari. CUST dash city. Same as like previous program, but you are defining somewhere and calling somewhere, not in the same program. CHENNAI U line. The third one now vend dash number is 3000. So vend dash name. Vend dash city. So like this you can write it. Vend dash number. Yeah. We have to write the right statement, sir. Otherwise it will not display.
Here, contact number, contact name, contact city, down below.
Correct.
So, you put that apostrophe.
That's what here also I have to use right statement. Employee dash number. Otherwise it will not display. Employee dash city. Here. Right. CUST dash number dash name city. Now I want to define one more variable.
So here the vendor number
Uh,
vendor name data
Correct.
and vendor city Bangalore is
Uh-huh.
data.
Correct. See sir, it will give the error like this, as no component NO it is telling. N0 you are given in the type pool. This is only str1 sir. This is str1. Correct. Here I have given I think 0 NO. CNO sir here. C name. We are given C name. It is not having city, so I cannot give city. Like this. See that structure sir, whatever the components are there. So, CNO, C name. VNO here, V name. If you give city, it will come in the structure. See, in this I have given only number and name. Whatever this field names, I should give there also. C number, C name. V number, V name. Constants I have used, no, that also I want to use. Right. So, ZHEM underscore A. This is how you are writing a calling program. Save, check, activate and execute. We have used types, that I am giving one more program. We have used the types keyword here. Types. Types is used to define user defined structures. It is used in type fools. We are just now seeing no type fools. It is a restricted keyword. I am using one program that is not correct usage. This is not wrong usage of types. Keyword. It is there, you don't use. Where it is required, we have to use. I just want to show one program. This is a good program, but this program will work here, but wrong usage of the types. So let us see now types keyword. This is the executable program. This is a program for types. I want to use types now. Type NUMB. NAM, which is of type NAME. I want to use data. Types is always followed by data. Here NUMB is a user defined data type. Now NUMB I want to define now type numeric. Name 30 characters. Number 1000. Name say Raj. Now write number and name. So if I remove these types also, it will give the same result. See 1000 Raj. I am removing these two lines now. I want to comment. The result will not change. Don't use like this. Here it is not required at all. This types is not required in this program. This is a wrong usage of types. Where it is to be used is typefuls is one of the example. Wrong usage you can say. Okay. Wherever in the typefuls it will not allow if you don't use types. So compulsorily I have to use types there. This is a program for it. In the next class, I want to discuss here loops. Okay, loops is going to help us to write some more programs. Tomorrow we will do it. Okay. Loops and strings will do the practice, sir. Complete practice of this programs. Okay. Syntax will be much easy for you while writing the programs. Do this practice, all these things. We'll meet again tomorrow, sir. I will place today's recording also in the Dropbox. You can access, sir. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.